Here are the steps to choose the correct size watch band for your order. First, make sure your watch band is flat across like the picture on the left. Second, find your watch's lug width online or measure it with a metric ruler. In this example, the lug width is 20 millimeters. So for 20 millimeter lug width, you would choose a 20 millimeter watch band. Fulmosa watch bands fit most size wrists, but you still need to measure the circumference of your wrist and make sure that it's within the 20 millimeter band length. Finally, install your new watch band and enjoy.